As Hurricane Gustav approached the Gulf Coast and made landfall, America turned to the source they trust. More people watched the Weather Channel than any other cable network.
And there it goes. It's still going. Look at that. Look at that.
More people said the Weather Channel provided the best hurricane coverage. As the busy 2008 hurricane season rolls on, trust the Weather Channel to continue to bring you the most comprehensive tropical coverage anywhere. The Weather Channel is your hurricane authority.